Hi, my name is Lisa Counts, and I am the owner of the Chopping Block. And today I'll be teaching you how to make bacon wrapped dates. Over here, I have my sliced bacon. I like to use a thinner slice for wrapping dates. That way they get a nice even crispiness. I cut them into halves, or if your bacon is longer, into thirds. And then I place my date at one end and go ahead and wrap it really nice and tight. It's okay if some of the bacon overlaps, and it's okay if some of the bacon starts to rip. To hold it in place, we are going to put a toothpick right through the center. You want to make sure that you buy pitted dates for this, and you put the toothpick right in the top. You want to lay these on your sheet tray, seam side down, so whatever end you finish on, that's the end that's going to go down on your sheet tray. When I bake these on my sheet tray, I have it lined with parchment paper or aluminum foil. This just ensures that your dates don't stick to your sheet tray. These are going to be baked at a 375-degree oven for 15 minutes until nice and thoroughly crisp. Our bacon wrap dates just came out of the oven. They were in there for 20 minutes. You can see that they are nice and golden brown and crisp all the way around. This is an excellent appetizer to serve with some balsamic glaze and some scallions for your next dinner party. And that is how you make bacon wrap dates.